Today we're exposing 7 AI tools so powerful, they almost feel illegal to use, but they're completely legitimate. These tools have revolutionized productivity for thousands of users worldwide, with one saving over 20 hours of work per week. Most people have no idea these exist. Let's dive in before big tech decides to restrict access. If you're new here, hit subscribe and the notification bell to stay updated on the latest AI tools that give you an unfair advantage. Let's count down these 7 game-changing AI tools, starting with number 7 and working our way to the absolute most powerful at number 1. Number 7. Perplexity AI. Think of Perplexity as Google if it actually understood what you're asking. Rather than just links, it delivers comprehensive research reports with real-time data. Notice how it organizes the latest statistics and strategies into a coherent report. The real power comes with follow-up question. Power user tip. Ask it to format information specifically for your needs with prompts like, create a weekly content calendar based on these findings. Number 6. Descript. This tool transforms how you create video content. Descript allows you to edit video by simply editing text, like a document. Watch closely. We recorded this section with several mistakes and pauses. Instead of tedious timeline editing, we just delete the text of our mistakes and the video automatically removes them. But the truly revolutionary feature is overdub. That's an AI-generated voice saying words that were never actually recorded. Create an overdub voice from your own recordings, then generate new audio by simply typing. No more endless re-recording sessions. Just type what you want to say. Number 5. Midjourney. AI image generation has exploded, but Midjourney stands above the rest with unmatched quality and control. These images were generated for this video's thumbnail. Professional quality that would cost hundreds with a designer. The secret to getting stunning results is using this prompt formula. Subject plus action plus environment plus lighting plus camera angle plus art style plus resolution. Compare this to what you get typing just AI robot. The difference is staggering. Number 4. GitHub Copilot. This tool is revolutionary even if you're not a developer. GitHub Copilot functions as an AI programming partner that writes code for you. Watch as we start typing a basic function, and Copilot not only completes the current line but predicts entire blocks of code. The game-changing feature. Write comments explaining what you want, and Copilot generates the entire function. Even non-programmers can use this to automate Excel tasks, create Google scripts, or build simple tools that save hours of manual work. Number 3. 11 Labs. Voice AI technology has reached a point where it's nearly indistinguishable from human speech. 11 Labs leads this revolution. With just a 30-second audio sample, the system can clone a voice with remarkable accuracy. Beyond cloning, the platform offers dozens of professional voice actors you can use instantly. This means creating podcasts, video narration, audiobooks, or character voices without ever entering a recording studio or hiring voice talent. Number 2. Jasper AI. Jasper is essentially an entire marketing team packaged into an AI tool. It creates strategic, SEO-optimized content tailored to your specific brand voice. Watch as we input our YouTube channel niche and request a content calendar with 10 video ideas, including hooks, outlines, and SEO metadata. In seconds, it delivers a ready-to-execute plan. But the true power feature most users overlook is Jasper Chat. This lets you build a complete brand persona that maintains consistency across all your content. Creating consistent content across multiple platforms would typically require months of work with a human team. Jasper does it instantly. And finally, the number 1 tool that genuinely feels illegal to access, Claude AI. While ChatGPT dominates headlines, Claude has quietly evolved into something far more powerful. First, Claude can process entire documents, spreadsheets, and images with deep comprehension. Watch as we upload this 30-page market research report and ask Claude to extract the key trends and opportunities. Within seconds, it produces an executive summary that would take hours to create manually. But Claude's true game-changing capability is creating entire business systems and frameworks. This level of strategic planning would cost thousands from a consultant and take weeks to develop. Claude delivers it instantly. The difference between basic AI assistants and Claude is like comparing a calculator to a CFO. To recap, these 7 AI tools feel almost too powerful to be legal, but are completely legitimate. 7. Perplexity AI for superhuman research. 6. Descript for editing video by editing text. 5. Midjourney for professional quality images. 4. GitHub Copilot for coding automation. 3. 11 Labs for voice cloning and generation. 2. Jasper AI for complete content marketing. 1. Claude AI for building complete systems and analyzing complex data. Links to all these tools are in the description below. Most offer free tiers to get started immediately. Here's your challenge. Select one of these tools and master it this week. Comment below with what you accomplished. If you found value in this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more content that gives you an unfair advantage in the AI era. Until next time, stay ahead of the curve.